Hey guys, today, I'm revealing the top 5 car steam cleaners you can buy right now. Number 3 is a budget beast that outperforms units triple its price. But number 1. It's the one professional detailers don't want you to know about. Starting at number 1. BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam. Clean your home and simultaneously contribute to the welfare of homeless pets. BISSELL generously supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, an organization dedicated to improving the lives of pets in need, with every purchase made. HydroSteam technology, elevate your cleaning experience with a remarkable 50% improvement in cleaning efficiency. This innovative technology intricately combines steam, powerful suction, and an OXY cleaning formula, specifically formulated to tackle the most stubborn set-in stains, greasy messes, and accumulated grime across a variety of surfaces. 3 versatile cleaning modes. Customize your cleaning approach to cater to your specific needs with 3 selectable modes. Utilize steam wash mode for effectively managing tough, oil-based messes. Choose standard steam mode to refresh and revitalize upholstery, or opt for wash modes specially designed to address enzyme-based stains, such as those from pet accidents. Number 2. Wagner Spraytech C900054905E. Wagner Spraytech C900054905E Auto-Right Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed for various cleaning tasks around the home and beyond. This steam cleaner comes with 12 essential accessories that enhance its functionality, allowing users to tackle a variety of surfaces and materials. The power steamer utilizes high-temperature steam to eliminate dirt, grime, and even tough stains without the need for harsh chemicals, making it an eco-friendly cleaning solution. The color of the unit may vary, adding a unique touch to its design. Whether you're cleaning floors, carpets, upholstery, or outdoor furniture, the Wagner Auto-Right Steam Cleaner provides a powerful and convenient way to achieve a deep clean. Number 3. Steam Cleaner Handheld, 1200W Fast 10 seconds Heat Up 750 ml. The Steam Cleaner Handheld is a powerful cleaning tool featuring a robust 1200W heating element that allows for rapid heat up in just 10 seconds. It comes equipped with a sizable 750 ml, 25 ounces, tank capacity, enabling extended use without the need for frequent refills. One of its standout features is the capability to refill the tank anytime during operation, eliminating downtime. The design includes a lockable steam trigger for enhanced safety and control, ensuring that steam is released only when intended. The product is accompanied by a comprehensive 14-piece accessory kit, suitable for various cleaning tasks around the home, car, grout, and tile surfaces. Its sleek gray finish adds a modern touch to its utilitarian design, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. This handheld steamer is an ideal solution for tackling tough grime and stains with ease. Number 4. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning device designed to tackle a wide range of surfaces in your home. With an impressive 2-hour runtime, it offers the convenience of long-lasting steam cleaning without the need for frequent recharges. This steam cleaner operates without chemicals, making it an environmentally friendly option for those looking to reduce their usage of harsh cleaning products. It comes with 23 accessories, including a mop head, various brushes, and other useful tools that make it suitable for cleaning different types of surfaces such as tile, carpet, and furniture. Additionally, it's effective for personal car detailing, ensuring that your vehicle's interior can also receive a thorough and gentle clean. Overall, the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is built for efficiency, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for home cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with dirt, grime, or stubborn stains, this steam cleaner aims to provide a deep clean while promoting a chemical-free environment. Number 5. Dupre Neat Plus Steam Cleaner. The Dupre Neat Plus Steam Cleaner is an advanced cleaning device that comes with a comprehensive 17-piece accessory kit, making it incredibly versatile for various cleaning tasks. This powerful multi-purpose steamer utilizes high-temperature steam to deep clean a wide range of surfaces, including floors, upholstery, grout, and more. Its efficiency is underscored by its ability to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, ensuring a sanitized living environment. The steam cleaner is designed to effectively tackle tough stains and dirt, making it an essential tool for maintaining cleanliness in your home. With its user-friendly design and variety of attachments, it provides an effective solution for both general cleaning and targeted sanitization efforts. And there you have it, the best steam cleaners to make your car look and smell brand new in 2026. Whether you need the portability of number 4 or the raw power of number 1, your car's interior doesn't stand a chance.